Okay na.
Hi guys, and today we're gonna make a pizza for my family members. I don't want to eat the pizza, so let's start. So first, I think we have to do is do the sauce.
Ayusin ha, magkalat-kalat.
Okay then. Why is Terdy not making his pizza? He's the one who wants to do it anyways. I'm gonna make, this is for my camera movie.
Robot. Pwede na tayong buwan. Sinepak talaga namin eh. Pero matinig talaga. Naunahan lang kami.
Okay, let's get the hot dog.
Pero huwag ka magalala.
Kunti-kunti lang.
Hindi alam yung medrano kung saan kami hanapin. Hindi balik. May oras pa tayo para
So I'm recording everything. I'm gonna go make my own restaurant.
Lahat yan, 4. Lagyan mo. Yung ina pa na, yung iba naman.
Okay, let's do it for the rest of my other family members.
Nasa amin ang anak ko. Kung sino ka mahayag ka, nakakunsama mo. Pagbabayad ako kayo.
Terdy, get your own plate. Get your own plate. Why does the pizzas look like that? What do you expect? And I need bread.
Get the bread.
Get the bread.
Yun ang kailangan namin. Kapalit ng anak ko.
Get 4.
Madadala ko.
Not other one.
Pero siguraduhin nyo lang. Naligtasan ang ako. Itatakot ko na lang sa inyo. Kung saan nyo ipadadala ang aso.
Pizza bread.
No. Put it there.
No.
Put it here.
Oh no.
Get the sauce.
Ikaw ang natin ng ransom.
Dandahan, baka matapon.
Okay, that's pepperoni hot dog.
Hintay sa dito.
Ayusin.
Papawin ko na ng timberga. Ilahin ko. Problema na ng timberga yun. Pabayaan mo na.
Dapat kasya sa 4.
Ako naglagay ng takin na sumpay. Ako ang sasagip sa kanya.
Dami-dami yung sauce kasi hindi maglalasa.
Alam mo, di konsensya ko. Alam mo ba, mahirap lang kumalaw para sa'yo.
Kay 30 pa kasi, oh.
Batas na kalaban mo. Kaya nga, kailangan ko tulong ni Kernel. Medano,
Oh God.
ano ba yung pinagagawa mo?
JR? Okay, I think I'm done now.
Saan ang JR naman dyan?
Dapat naman siguro naintindihan niyo. Buhay ng anak ko na kaya. Sana ano ng anak
Okay,
ko?
I'm done.
Nasa kwarto ko, sir, natutulog. Awa ng Diyos, nabawi rin niya.
Yeah, are you recording?
Yeah.
Sumama ka na sa akin.
What's the butter for?
Sit down.
Yeah, I'm done.
You need to grate the cheese.
Nakikiusap
I
ako
want
sa
the
inyo.
cheese.
Kaya yung
For the toppings.
Bakit?
Ay, kalat mo kasi.
Sigurado ko bang maililigtas mo?
Is this butter or
Huwag mo rin muli yung sitwasyon. Yun nga ang sabi ko sa kanya, sir. Kapag nakialam pa siya, pakalalo nang malagay sa alangan yung batang gusto niya iligtas. But, kilala ko yung mga kidnappers ngayon.
do with this one?
Sir, wala silang binubuhay sa mga kidnappers. Ang hindi alam ni Imberga, ay pagbigay siya ng ransom. Papatay ko.
Dalaan.
I got the whole block of cheese.
Paano mo natikit yan? Sir, grupo ni Castillo
Wait,
yung buwan.
Tama na, yung isa na, ma'am.
Tulungan niyo ako sa kasong ito. Bigyan niyo ko kahit 3 araw lang.
Kakain kayo nito
No!
Hindi pwedeng hindi. Bawal mag-gadget pag hindi kumain.
No. This is supposed to be for Yaya, Lolo, you, and Nanay.
Are you done?
Yeah, but I want to do the cheese.
Kaya lagyan natin yun.
Hey, Tardy!
Wala kasing post tong video mo.
I don't wanna eat this.
Hindi pwede i-post.
I want to do the cheese. That's all, Tardy. It's disqualified.
That's the cheese, hot dog,
Oh, nice.
bread,
It's a pizza
Pizza.
bread. It's a pizza bread.
May mahaba ako. Gamitin mo lang.
Ang hirap naman.
hatiin mo na lang. Ang haba na ng video.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
The other side. Nasa gitna lahat.
Me, I want to drink. It's okay naman. I want that one. This one is more. They're disqualified.
Teddy, you eat your pizza bread.
No. My pizza bread is for my family members. No, you will eat it.
Teddy will eat the bread.
No. You
Ate
wanted
Teo
the idea.
will eat the bread.
No, it's for you guys. Not
I love you. You love me.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
remind it. It's embarrassing if you remind my baby pictures.
It's not pictures.
Hindi ka no.
It's video.
Let me just do it. It's my.
Ay, nag-agawa na po sila.
Nagdahan lang, hindi ganyan madali.
I'm gonna go taste it. Oh, go now.
Ang sarap ng pizza. Saan mo ito-toast yan?
Love it.
Oven. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we gonna go with. Okay, and the video I'm gonna go edit it. You're gonna go toast our pizza bread. This is gonna take a long time.
Kasya dyan, apat.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I can't see. The viewers can't even see anything. Okay. Okay, guys. The oven is toast. So this is a pizza reaction of Lolo.
Oh. Review.
What's the review of the pizza?
Okay, pizza pie.
Is it good?
Is it good? How good?
Water.
Okay, I'll give you some water.
Out of 10.
Out of 10, Lolo. Oh, spam. Spam. We're gonna get spam. Spam. No, I got the water.
Hindi ito.
Oh, never mind. What's Lolo's water? Baso.
Ano to na yan?
Tawagin mo na si nanay.
But first, I'm gonna go give my Lolo some water.
Baka maubusan ka na. Hindi ka na bili.
And also, this is the finished product of our pizza bread. Wow, Lolo, you're already done. He's already
Ano
done.
dyan?
Okay, I'm gonna call our customer named Nanay. Nanay, the pizza bread is cooked.
Kainin ko na.
Yeah, you're supposed to review it.
Tingnan ko. I love you. I love you.
Nice.
And I'm papi family. Ay, ta. Yay!
Nay, I'm filming.
Laki na niya eh.
Nay,
I love you. I love you.
Nay, I'm filming.
Papi.
Nanay, go eat your pizza bread.
Laki na ng amin si Teya.
Nanay, you got new earrings?
Ah?
No, I'll never. Is that new?
Dati na to ah.
Oh, never mind. I thought it was new.
Dati na to. Nakita mo na to, di ba?
I kind of. Why are you removing
Sa'yo ko
them?
nga ito yung pamamana eh.
No, I don't want them.
Eh, maganda to.
No, I don't want them.
Ano na? Sa'yo nga ito eh.
I don't want any earrings.
Hindi. Charge mo yung cellphone ko. Ate, Pamela. Ay, ano pa pamana? Ano? Ayay!
Nice. Stop singing that song.
I love you. I
Is that
love you.
stop?
Oh my God! Sino nag-go?
Yeah, me. It's Chef 30. You barely even did anything 30. I saw you iPad, and you're still iPad.
Saan yan? Puno, hindi niya tinaktak.
Nanay, can you try one? Yes.
Papasok natin saan?
Nanay, can you try one? I have one in my hand right now. Oh, no. No!
Kirty!
I surrender!
Ano lang ito yung iPad mo? You bite with the
How good is it?
It's okay. Sarap. Delicious.
10 out of 10.
10.
Okay, guys, this is how you make pizza pizza bread.
Eh, sa tayo ditiduhan mo, babati siya, abay.
Anyways, this is how you make a pizza pancake. Bye, guys.